Now they make this look so easy. Hard for you folks here in Madras. Now as they fit from that formation, Zippy's gonna get together with the diamond. We call this the diamond chase. Zippy's gonna try to chase the diamond down in the middle of a roll. He's gonna see if he can gather enough energy with this high density altitude to catch the fourth ship in the middle of their roll. I know he's being careful. You want to keep it safe. Number one is safety, and number two is definitely about having a good time. Madras, are you having a good time? The former Blue Angel. Yes, good job. Now, folks, I know how much you like those opposing hits. We're going to play a little game of chicken. So, our Blue Angel right now is missing. We were talking about how many traps. Okay. Intake. He's flying out. He's got a tally on the 5 ship. He's going to set the delta up again. And we're going to get ready for a beautiful formation. This is called the Delta Belly Up Path. So folks, get your cameras ready. Thanks for sharing this time with us. Turn your motor drives on. Here we go. God bless America. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, come on. Oh, I think the jet got him. As our jets break to land, I just want to thank you all for spending this time with me.